The U.S. is at risk of losing its elimination status of the measles after more than 1,200 cases were reported this year. The World Health Organization granted it that status back in 2000, but can remove it if a measles outbreak lasts longer than a year. Michigan had 44 cases this year, but there are no current cases nationwide. Public health experts have said losing the status would be a black eye on the U.S. The number of vaping-related lung illnesses and deaths continues to rise nationwide, according to the Centers for Disease Control. And as Jonathan Seri reports, health officials are particularly concerned about the use of flavored e-cigarettes by young people.
New statistics on the number of vaping-associated lung injuries. The CDC is reporting 1,080 cases nationwide and 18 deaths across 15 states. Alabama, Delaware, and New Jersey reporting their first vaping-related deaths. Federal health officials are investigating the cause of these lung illnesses, including a possible link to the use of vaping products containing a marijuana ingredient called THC. Researchers from the Mayo Clinic say a mix of toxic chemical fumes, not oils, may be to blame for vaping-related lung injuries. A rash of these illnesses sending otherwise healthy young people to the hospital. This Florida college student claims the effects of vaping made it difficult to recover from pneumonia that later developed into lung and kidney failure.
The viruses I had, the pneumonia that I had, would have not been as severe as it was. They wouldn't have almost killed me if I hadn't vaped.
The CDC also releasing new data showing that more than half of middle schoolers who use tobacco products vape with flavored e-cigarettes. And the flavored devices are used by more than 2/3 of high school tobacco product users. Both age groups have increased their use of flavored e-cigarettes over the past 3 years.
We know that sometimes youth don't even know that the flavored e-cigarettes contain nicotine or could potentially be harmful. They're sort of almost treating them like candy or fruit. And so we do think these flavors are a problem.
Several states have moved to ban flavored vaping products because of their appeal to children. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.
New research shows if you want to have a heart-healthy baby, you need to stop drinking long before the pregnancy. Researchers found men who drank during the 3-month period before conception were 44% more likely to have babies with congenital heart disease. Women who drank before conception saw a 16% risk increase. Researchers say men should stop drinking 6 months before fertilization, while women should stop a full year before. Students in South Korea playing with Legos in the classroom, and it's all part of their lesson plan. Michael Bycraft was born with a hand deformity, so his students decided to build a robotic arm for him out of Legos. The young engineers used the Lego Mindstorm's EV3 kit, tackling subjects like engineering, coding, and physics.
I chose this platform because every student understands Lego and what it is. They've been using it since they're 3. It fits together the same way. This is compatible with any other kind of Lego. So it's instantly familiar to a student, and it's not intimidating, and it's a really diverse platform. So they can remake it and build it 100 different ways if they want. No two kids' design usually looks the same.
The kits include motors, sensors, and bricks that contain programming code to control the robot.